Hey everyone, one of the easiest and most affordable ways to enter the Wi-Fi 7 age without going over budget or compromising dependability is with the TP-Link Archer BE400. Despite being a mid-range model in TP-Link's new generation lineup, it offers an unexpectedly potent combination of wired connectivity, performance, and user-friendliness, making it a desirable option for contemporary households with expanding digital needs. The Archer BE400 initially appears to be precisely the kind of gadget you would want in a home setup. Discreet, modest, and functional. The router's matte black shell eschews superfluous style in favor of showcasing its 6 external adjustable antennae, which instantly imply that coverage is the router's primary purpose, rather than ornamentation. The router's small size allows it to be placed discreetly on a shelf, desk, or media cabinet. The installation procedure is simple. TP-Link's Tether app, which walks even novice users through every setup step, takes care of everything after you're connected to power and your internet line. TP-Link didn't overlook users that rely on quick wired connections, even though Wi-Fi 7 is the main focus. 2 fast 2.5 gigabit ports, one for LAN and one for WAN, are included with the Archer BE400. For homes with fast fiber optic connections, or for consumers seeking the highest level of stability for PCs, gaming consoles, or NAS devices, this is essential. Router provides 3 conventional gigabit LAN connections in addition to these ports, which are more than plenty for PCS, set-top boxes, and smart TVS that don't need extremely high throughput. Archer BE400 is considerably superior to the majority of popular routers on the market today because it supports Wi-Fi 7. When numerous devices are connected at once, the new standard offers noticeably better performance, lower latency, and much faster speeds. Devices may interact on many bands simultaneously thanks to features like multi-link operation, which removes delays and lowers drops under high demand. Another advantage of the Archer BE400 is its coverage. Beamforming technology in the 6 external antennas concentrates signal intensity where it is most needed. The router improves performance through walls and over longer distances by intelligently directing the wireless signal toward active devices rather than dispersing it uniformly in all directions. Even larger households benefit greatly from TP-Link's EasyMesh support. The BE400 performs very confidently for its class. According to real-world testing conducted in office space, stability was outstanding, and speeds were close to maximum near the router. Throughput decreased marginally but was still more than enough for work and streaming at a moderate distance of about 20 steps. The descent became apparent at greater distances of about 40 steps, although it was still manageable given structural impediments. All things considered, the router maintains performance levels suitable for medium-sized and big households, particularly those with 3 bedrooms or comparable layouts. The TP-Link Archer BE400's ability to effectively connect the present and the future is its most notable feature. It incorporates next-generation Wi-Fi 7 technology into a product that is still reasonably priced, simple to install, and useful for daily use. The BE400 provides a solid basis for a contemporary connected home with its fast wireless performance, dual 2.5 gigabit ports, good coverage, USB file sharing capabilities, and mesh compatibility. This model provides the essential performance without needless complication. Whether you're upgrading from an older router or getting your network ready for new devices like 8K TVs, 8K VR systems, or high-speed fiber internet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.